Hey there, everyone. Welcome to iTech Explore. This is a place where we explore, create, and grow fast with technology. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to change YouTube channel name step by step. If you are here because you're looking to rebrand your channel or give it a fresh, more exciting identity, then you're in the right place. This channel actually started as IPPT learning because I mainly focused on PowerPoint tutorials, but now I want to expand it and I want to share with you everything that I learned or discovered with computer applications or any tools that I learned with computer and technology. So let's dive in and I'll get you through and bear with me as I share with you how to change my YouTube channel name. So we just need to click on our profile and here, let's go to YouTube Studio. So then after that, we're going to go to customization. So click customization here and just scroll it down. So you see, I don't have any banner or profile here because I didn't do a lot with this account. So is here the name of our profile. So let's just change it to iTech Tech Explore. So let's also change the handle here. So it will be the same. All right. So after that, you'll go to publish. Okay, so we'll try to see if it changed. So if you look at our YouTube channel here, it's already iTech Explore. And later, we're going to make a banner and a profile here. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. And please like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell to keep updated for our new uploads. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye!